web developers and Python programmers and full-stack software engineers. Are you looking for financial freedom? Are you tired of your current job? Are you planning for career change in IT field? If your answer is yes, then you are at the right place. We can suggest and recommend you what courses you can do at minimum cost and get hired in 1 to 6 months. How much do the web developers, Python programmers, web automation engineers, and software engineers make? These are dream jobs in the IT industry. Each of them make 100,000 US dollars per year on average. Many of them make more than $200,000. You can start from today. If you practice 1 to 2 hours daily, you can land your dream career in just 1 to 3 months. Are you kidding with us? No, I'm serious. When I say you can land your dream career in just 1 to 3 months, I literally mean it. A thing of beauty is dry forever, says John Keats, the poet of love and beauty. We all love beauty, and beautification of life and career is definitely an art, isn't it? You can also become a joy forever for your lovely near and dear ones. When you make a great income, nothing can be more beautiful thing ever. Each and every person in your circle will congratulate you and appreciate your skills, capabilities, and moreover, decent living. I'm sure once you are in, you will be amazed at all excellent short and quality courses, just at minimum cost. You can join the program on monthly basis or can subscribe for a year. If you don't like the program, you can get 100% refund. No question will be asked. The best course links are furnished below for you. Check now.